Hi, James again from KSTHL Labels. So custom iron-on woven label. Actually, the operation, production operation is the same. So first we make out the fabric with our logo, and just the end of operation is different. If our labels, so we just cut by ultrasonic cuts or laser cuts, and then we will operation on Ford machine, and for the center Ford, metro Ford, or strift cut like this. But if we need the iron-on baking, so we have added new technology operation. So we need first we need use the hot press machine and put our the glue on the back of the label, and then laser cut by our design shop. So that's we got the iron-on labels. So iron-on labels, this kind of woven label operation may be sold. Use the high temperature hot press machines operation, and behind this is behind this is hot melt glue on the back, hot melt glue on backing. So which is hotted and melted by the hot press, and bonded to our fabric, like our clothing, bags, caps, shoes, so anywhere. So that is just working by hot press machines, the high temperature hot press machines. Thank you. Bye bye.